Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand how to fetch or validate the party details using their GSTIN or UIN during voucher creation. With the connected GST experience introduced in Tally Prime Release 5.0, you can fetch or validate the party details using their GSTIN or UIN even during voucher creation. When you record a voucher, you will want to ensure that the details necessary for GST returns are correct. Moreover, while recording a sales invoice, you will want to ensure that details required for e-invoicing and e-way bill generation are correct. In any case, this facility helps you fetch the correct information and make the updates as needed. Let's see how to validate details while recording a purchase voucher. Consider that you are purchasing from a seller after a long time. Since you don't purchase from them regularly, you will want to know the latest status of their GST registration. You can validate the real-time GST status of the supplier so that there are no discrepancies at the time of filing returns. And therefore, the risk about the input tax credit will be minimal. Consider that you are recording the purchase voucher. In the party details screen, press Alt-L to fetch details using GSTIN or UIN. The GSTIN or UIN is prefilled based on the information in the party details screen. Press Enter. You can check the GST registration status of the party here. Based on its status, active or cancelled, you can take a business decision. To view the filing details of the party, press Alt-S. You get to know the e-invoice applicability, date of registration, and date of cancellation, if applicable. Most importantly, you get to know the date, mode, and status of filing GSTR1 and GSTR3B of the last 6 months. Now, let's see how to use this facility in a sales invoice. Consider that you are selling a set of stock items or a service to a walk-in customer, and the customer is going to pay the amount in cash as they are a one-time customer. So, you might not want to create a ledger for them. However, for uploading and filing GST returns, you need all the information about the party, such as their mailing details, GST registration type, and others. In such a case, you can create a sales invoice under the cash ledger. In the party details screen, press Alt+L to fetch details using GSTIN or UIN. Enter the GSTIN or UIN of the party. Press Alt+W to copy the details. Based on your requirement, you can choose to copy the information under the buyer, consignee, or both details. Let's say you want to copy the information under the buyer and consignee details both. Press O. All the details, including the buyer and consignee details, get filled. GST registration type also gets updated. Fetching details using the GSTIN or UIN also ensures that the invoice contains the information required for e-invoice and e-way bill generation, if applicable. Before saving the voucher, let's preview. Press Ctrl+P. Press I for preview. As you can see, the invoice contains all the necessary details. Now, it may be possible that the party's GST registration has got cancelled. In such a case, you will need to change the GST registration type of the party to unregistered consumer. Press Ctrl+A to save. This ensures that You have a valid invoice at the time of voucher creation instead of facing a discrepancy at the time of filing GST returns. As you saw, you can easily fetch the party details using their GSTIN or UIN during voucher creation. This ensures that the vouchers get recorded with all the information required for GST returns and other compliance activities such as e-invoice and e-way bill generation, if applicable. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl plus F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp for assistance. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.